Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a coin that matches your palm. Too large gives itself away. Once chosen, position it in the fleshy pocket beneath your thumb and let your fingers curl naturally. Practice relaxing your hand. Tension creates visible bulges while maintaining a light grip. Use a mirror to test viewing angles and make small adjustments. Make sure to rehearse in short bursts so muscle memory builds without fatigue, because subtlety is the whole point. Now you move into the active hold. Slide the coin into the hollow and let the thumb lightly cover its rim. The fingers should remain relaxed and appear empty. Once done, practice lifting or miming without changing posture. Your hand must look normal under casual scrutiny. Combine this with a brief misdirection, like a conversational comment or a pointing gesture, to divert attention. Make sure to rehearse the timing so your verbal and physical cues align seamlessly. To finish, bring the coin back by rolling it to the fingertips or transferring it to the other hand with a casual gesture. Timing determines believability. Once revealed, adopt a relaxed closing motion so the audience accepts the result as effortless. If you see an obvious outline or flash, stop and correct the angle or further relax the fingers. Small tweaks fix most issues. Remember, slow, confident practice solves leaks. Repeat until the movement becomes automatic and invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.